So, I've came in this morning and my stone chip coating is all nice and dry. Okay. So, next up what I want to do is I want to protect the bits you can't see, the bits you can't spray, like inside the sills and stuff like that. And we do that with a product called waxoyl, or I'm sure there's other brands available, but that's what I'm using. Basically what you do is you heat it up and it goes runny like a wax. So we'll put it in the kettle, switch kettle off. It's just an old kettle we use for this particular job. Right. So then you let it heat up, right? And then we've got this 2 foot long hose or whatever it is. And then once that's heated up it goes on nice and liquidy. And what you do with that is inside the sills and in the box section and hard to reach areas, well, in the sills you've got bits like these grommets, and you just take them out like so. And there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 of them on this side, 4 of them on the other side, and that lets you get right inside the sill to stop the rust. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Let's go. So it's going to get noisy now, so literally just compress this. This is all warm, so it's runny. Take the compressor, get right into this areas.
Shut up and sit down.
Now you can see with that waxoyl stuff it comes out in like a vapour, and if you shoot it in this hole you'll see the vapour coming out all the other holes. This is why we cover any holes we don't want it coming out, cover them with tape. Alright, so that's it all waxoiled in there. Put your grommets back in. So right, in the last video on the M3, we were fixing the rust on the bottom sills, if you can remember right. Now what we've done is we rubbed them down a bit, grinded most of the weld off, and we've covered it in this stone chip protector stuff, anti-chip. Now what we had to do with this was we had to heat it up a bit. Basically I just boiled a kettle and sat it inside and let it go nice and soft. All protected with stone chip. And we went right under, as you can see. So we've done the full bottom floor pan on both sides.
covered it in that stone chip stuff because they were starting to look a bit pretty. So basically what I done was I wire brushed it all just to get any loose crap off, and done that. So it's looking okay. Right, here's something that e36 suffer from. Basically the inner arch has got this big thing here, big hole. And what happens is, whether you run a guard on the inside or not, you get muck and it builds up in there. See that? All that muck. All that down there. So basically it'll hold moisture that cause what in the future. So what I'm going to do is I've got this thin alloy sheet and I'm going to cut it. So I've actually already done one here. Right. I've got to put it on there like that. So it's really light, it's not going to add any weight at all really. And it just means that that bit there that keeps filling up with dirt in is potentially a rust moisture trap, causing future problems. Isn't going to pose any threats anymore. So I'm going to do that. So there it goes. So because this is so thin, I thought you might get some rattling noises. It would make a kind of, not a rattling noise, but just a tinny noise. So I've put some seam sealer around it just to give it a kind of duller note, because I thought the rattling might annoy me. I've also, the seam sealer, the stone chip stuff was grey, so I actually ordered black but they sent grey, so no big hardship, but I just thought I'd put a wee coat of black on it just to sort of tidy up a wee bit. Same with there. There's a skirt goes on here, a side skirt. You won't be able to see that once it's on. So, looks a bit better, I think. And it's rust free now. Once again, a rust free car.